we are discussing this algae reproduction, vegetative reproduction is will be land. So next we discuss this asexual reproductions. Okay, asexual means absence of gametes. Do you know that? So asexual reproduction takes place by the production of zoospores. Okay, first one it is zoospores. Okay, so asexual reproduction takes place by this production of spores. So asexual reproduction is a uniparental. Only one parent is involved and involves no sex organs. So following the kinds of these asexual spores are produced in algae. First spores is zoospores. Zoospores in Chlorophaceae and Phaeobaceae, motile and flagellatous zoospores are produced from zoosporangia during favorable conditions. During favorable conditions, zoospores are formed. Okay, so first example is Eleutheryx and Eudogonium. So next one it is Aplanospores. Okay, next one Aplanospores. Second one it is Aplanospores. During unfavorable conditions, these spores are formed. Okay, during unfavorable conditions, some unicellular, uninucleate, non-motile, thin-walled spores are produced. Okay, thin-walled spores are produced. So which are called this Aplanospores. Example Vaccaria. So next one it is autospores. So autospores, it is spores are which is similar to this in the parent cells. So example Chlorella. So next one it is Cypnospores. So Cypnospores, it is a thick-walled cells. It is also produced as unfavorable conditions. When compared to this Aplanospores, it is thick-walled structures. Okay, it is a thick-walled structure. So Chlamydomonas nivalis. So next one it is Tetraspores. So diploid thallus it produced. Okay, diploid thallus produced after this meiosis. Haploid spores produced by this diploid thallus. Yeah, so that's why it is called this tetraspores. Okay, so asexual reproduction done by this spores. So first spores is zoospores. It produced by this favorable conditions. Aplanospores, it is produced by this unfavorable conditions. It is a thin-walled structures. Okay, so Cypnospores, it is produced also this unfavorable condition, but it is a thick-walled structures. Okay. So next one it is tetraspores, autospores. It is similar to this parent cell. Tetraspores means haploid spores are after the meiosis haploid spores produced by this diploid thallus. The example is Polysyphonia. Next one we discuss this sexual reproduction in algae. Sexual reproduction. So like sexual reproduction done by this three phase isogamy. Okay, isogamy means gametes are produced. Okay, isogamy means iso means same. Okay, so sexual reproduction, it involves the formation of gametes and their fusion during the process is called this fertilization. So differentiation of sex organs are variable in many extents algae. Generally, male sex organ is called antheridium, female sex organ is called oogonium. Okay, female sex organ is called this oogonium. So isogamy means fusion of morphologically alike gametes which looks and behave similarly is called this isogamy. Isogamy means male and female gametes cannot be distinguished. Differentiate panna mudiyadu. Cannot be distinguished and thus are referred to as isogamy. These are referred to as isogamy. So physiologically, morphologically similar gametes. Example Eleutheryx. Okay. So next one it is anisogamy. Anisogamy, fusion of physiologically dissimilar gametes. So fusion of morphologically dissimilar gametes which may be motile or non-motile. Female gamete is usually larger and non-motile. Male gamete is smaller. So the fusion of large and small gametes is called this anisogamy. Example Pandraria. Next one it is oogamy. Next one it is oogamy. So fusion of both morphologically and physiologically dissimilar gametes. Okay? So fusion of large non-motile egg or ovum with a smaller motile sperm. Okay? So the gametes differ morphologically as well as physiologically and are called oogamy. And are called this oogamy. The fusion of gametes is called this oogamy. So examples: sargassum. Example: sargassum, Sarah, Walvax, Fucus. Okay. So next the life cycle. So different alternation of generations is here. Haploantic life cycle, diploantic life cycle, diplo and haploantic life cycle, piloantic life cycle, diplopiloantic life cycle is here in the algae. Okay, the oldest taker of algae is Cryptania, which was discovered by this abandoned iron formation northern, which dated the approximately 2100 Macau. So next one is a classification. So classification is based on this pigmentation, types of flagella, reserve food materials, tallest stature and reproduction. Okay, so F.E. Fritz classified this based on this pigmentation. So carotenoids, chlorophylls and xanthophylls இதெல்லாம் இருக்குல்ல அதை வச்சு types of flagella, presence or absence of flagella, motile or non-motile. Next, reserve food materials. What are the reserve food materials are? It will be stored. Okay, tallest structures. Okay, so reproduction, asexual reproduction, sexual reproductions and fragmentation, vegetative reproduction, it will be classified. So this classification, published classification is so structure and reproduction of the algae. So classified is 11 classes. Okay, 11 classes: Chlorophaceae, Xanthophaceae, Sarizophaceae, Basilariofaceae, Cryptophaceae, Dinophaceae, Chloromonidiliaceae, Equinerophaceae, Biophaceae, Rhydophaceae, Cyanophaceae. Okay, some of these classes it will be given. First, Chlorophaceae, Biophaceae, Rhydophaceae is given below. So Chlorophaceae. So Chlorophaceae means you are getting, you understand Chlorophaceae. So this is called this mostly green algae. Because of this chlorophyll pigments are large amount of chlorophyll pigments, it will be stored. Okay. So most of this aquatic and marine forms are your aquatic, marine and terrestrial forms. So where is it among this chloroplast? Okay. So chloroplast of this members. So cup-shaped chloroplast is. So cup-shaped chloroplast you have to find out in the Chlamydomonas. Cup-shaped chloroplast, discoid chloroplast is find out in the Sarah. Cridal chloroplast, it will be find out in the Elothrix. Reticulate is a Oodogonium. Reticulated is Oodogonium. Spiral, Spirohyra. Stellate, Syconyma. Plate-like structures, atom again. So at the point of the examination, ask the questions mismatch per or different types of chloroplast based on this and in the algae. Okay, so as the question, cup-shaped chloroplast is present in Chlamydomonas. Discoid is present in Sarah. Cradle-shaped chloroplast find out is Elothrix. Reticulate chloroplast is find out is Oodogonium. See, you are like this, you are right. Okay. So next one, it's a chlorophyll. So types of chlorophylls means A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So chlorophyll A and B, it is a common structures. Okay, it is a common chlorophyll present in all the algae forms. Okay. So storage bodies it called out pyrenoids. Okay, storage bodies we called out the pyrenoids. And the first general characters I asked this. Pyrenoids is a very important one. So what is the uses of the pyrenoids? So pyrenoids is the store the food materials. Okay, in the chloroplast. So store the starch. It will be storage materials as starch. So it also contains for this the proteins. So it made up of this cellulose and pectin. So vegetative reproduction by the means of fragmentation. So do you know this fragmentations? Fragmentations meaning fragmentations. So algal filament are tallest breaks down into many fragments. Okay. Each fragment goes on independent organism. That is that fragmentations followed by this in the vegetative reproduction. So asexual reproduction by production of zoospores. So zoospores are formed by this and favorable conditions. Aplanospores are the thin-walled structures produced by this unfavorable conditions. Akinase, it is a thick-walled structures. Asexual reproduction is done by isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. So 3 types of sexual reproduction followed by this chlorophyceae. Okay, so examples: chlorella, Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Spirogyra, Ulothrix, Chara, Alba. Okay, so this is the characteristics of this chlorophyceae. Next one is a Biofaceae. Biofaceae, this members we called out of this brown algae. So majority of the found in this at marine. Okay, so some of this few freshwater. So marine and freshwater hamlets followed by this Biofaceae. So the Thales filamentous like structures, frank like structures, kind helps. Okay, laminaria. So at the point of the examination, I ask the question: kind helps. Dash kind helps. Okay, laminaria and macrocyst. Macro means largest. Okay, so it is differentiated into a leaf-like photosynthetic part. Okay, it is differentiated when compared to this other algae. That means Chlorophyceae, Chlorophyceae, Rhodophyceae. It will compare to this. It is that photosynthetic pigments. It is called as photosynthetic part. It is called as fronds. Yeah. Photosynthetic part, it is called this fronds. Yeah, it is a stalk-like structures. Yeah, it is called was attached the thallus to this substratum. Attached to the thallus in the substratum, that is called as fronds. Yeah, what is the uses of the fronds? Explain the fronds. So the thallus, it is differentiated into leaf-like structures. That is a photosynthetic part. It is called this fronds. So நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம், பிளான்ட்ஸில் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அதை லீஃப்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஆனால் இங்கே என்ன சொன்னால், in this case we called out as fronds. So yeah, fronds. So this fronds is very helpful of this. It anchor the substratum. Yeah. So this pigments, chlorophyll, A, C, carotenoids and xanthophylls are present. Okay, so then one particular character is cold and brown pigment is present. That's why it is called as brown algae. Okay, that's why we call it as brown algae. Phycoxanthin is present, so it gives a shadow color from this olive green. Okay, olive green to brown. So this members, it is called this brown algae. So Manicterian and Laminarian is the stored food materials. Stored food materials. So next one, it is that reproductive. So okay, motile reproductive structures. Okay, so unequal flagella is present. Unequal flagella that likes for this tinsel and whiplash. Okay, one is whiplash, other one is tinsel. So one is long, one is short. Okay, so next one, it is that sexual reproduction by this isogamy, oogamy. Isogamy, oogamy. Alternation generation is present. Okay, isomorphic, heteromorphic, diplomorphic. Okay, isomorphic, heteromorphic or diplomorphic. So examples: sargassum, laminaria, fucus and dictaria. Yeah.